What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brad and today I'm here with the DJI Osmo Pocket, one of DJI's latest products, a 3-axis gimbal stabilized camera. If you take a look at the box, it is super small. Comparing it to my hand here, you can see it's super small. We are going to get straight to the unboxing, so let's begin. To begin, what's on the box, up top it says it is compatible with Lightning and USB-C smartphone adapters. Sorry, I know there's a glare, I'm not sure if you can see there. You download the new DJI Mimo app. You can download that on the Apple App Store or Google Play. It is a new app. It is not DJI Go 4, which many of their drones run on. But yeah, let's get straight to the unboxing here. So we can slide the cover off. And this is my first time unboxing it, clearly. It's on there really tight. Information in English and I'm guessing Mandarin Chinese maybe, regarding where to get more information on it. Osmo Pocket Shield information. Basically doubles the warranty period for your Osmo series product, letting you focus on your handheld shot with better peace of mind. An information card about that. Stick all those out over here so you can see it. So I still got the pocket in my hand. Okay, so the cover is off, and the first unboxing of it here. It's super tiny. I've seen videos on it, and this is super tiny. It looks like, simply enough, the Osmo Pocket right here, and the little case. Inside the case, we'll take a look and see what's in there. I'm going to set this down here real quick. So there's a little flap on the case that simply comes undone like so. Looks like there is your charging cable. A couple of those little silica gel packets. Looks like a wrist strap, probably for the case here, the little hard shell case. It's a lot harder than I thought it'd be. And folded up inside of the case here are the Osmo Pocket Quick Start Guide and disclaimer and safety guidelines. All of that is found inside of your hard shell case when you unbox it. The only other product inside the box is the Pocket itself, which is super tiny, and you guys can see it here. Let me show it comparably to my phone. The iPhone X and the Osmo Pocket. Wow, it's a good weight. It's a good weight in the hand where it doesn't feel cheap. I'm really excited to use this, and hopefully it ups my videos here, as well as some travel videos that I hopefully make. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. This was the DJI Osmo Pocket unboxing. I have ordered all of the accessories that have been sold so far. They should be on their way here. As soon as I get them, I will make sure to do an unboxing, as well as my opinions and thoughts on all those accessories from DJI that are sold for the Osmo Pocket. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. It really helps me out, and y'all have a great day.